In this video, I'll be showing you the best Warzone aim assist settings for Rebirth and Warzone 3. Start by opening the settings, then select Controller from the menu. Switch to the Aiming tab, then head down and find the Tactical Stance Sensitivity Multiplier option, and set it to 1.00 if it isn't already. Set Aim Response Curve Type to Dynamic. This will give you a slight slowdown in the middle of your movement. Set ADS Sens Multiplier to 0.90 if you want your sensitivity to be slower when you aim down sight, otherwise use 1. Then set ADS Sensitivity Transition Timing to Instant. Make sure you turn on Target Aim Assist, then set Aim Assist Type to Black Ops or Default. I use Default. Turn off Motion Sensor Behavior, then switch back to the Controller tab. Expand the Dead Zone Input settings, then set Left Stick Min to 0 and Left Stick Max to 99. Set Right Stick Min to about 4 or 5. If you have stick drift, then you may want to increase this slightly. Set Right Stick Max to 99. Then set both trigger options to 0 to make firing easier. Head to the side and open the graphics settings. Select View from the top. Set Field of View to 120, ADS Field of View to Affected, Weapon Field of View to Wide or Narrow. Scroll down to the camera settings and make sure both motion blur options are set to Off and film grain is set to 0. Set both camera movement options to Least, and you will have the best aim assist settings for Warzone and Rebirth. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.